Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Well, it looks like the furnace in my shop took a powder on the coldest day we've had for a while. We've been up in the 80s and 90s. It is like a blessing that this didn't happen a while from now, but I went out here to turn the furnace on because it was a little chilly. In fact, it's quite chilly. And we got no heat. And there's the hole in the wall, and there it is. It's I just recycled a old our 30,000 BTU. Well, it's pretty big RV furnace. Runs on propane, but you know what I mean. The old board, I think, is yeah, taking the powder. So let's see what we can do there. Meantime, videos are going to be down for a bit because I cannot be out here in the cold, and it is cold. I got a wiring diagram there. I chased her down the best I could. This is pretty old. Works like a beaut 99% of the time. I mean, like more than that. Works like a beaut, but things happen. I tested the solenoids, both sides, took the wires off, tested them, perfect. Sail switch works, you know, for the fan. Sail switch works. We're getting power into the board. You know, I did the things. We're not getting anything out of the coil wire. I'm sure the igniter's fine. I cannot see a problem with that. I could do a continuity test, or, you know, we could do things down there, but the igniter going out is, I don't think so, because I'm not hearing it even try up here like you should hear on the board. Excuse me, let me move here. You should hear the coil click in, you know, the coil. I don't even hear that, so it can't get to the igniter if it's not coming out of the coil. So we need her. I'm getting in the house. It's cold, and don't want to listen to the football game across the street no more, so we're out. I'm not a sports fan, I'm a fix-it fan. Yeah, the old lathe is pretty dirty, but we've been working around it today, and we actually are working on fixing the milling machine. My mill will be back up and running. You betcha. Working on the spindle. That's about it for now. I gotta get in the house. It's cold. Alright, love y'all. Thumbs up. This is a phone video, the first one I've ever done. Anyway, thumbs up. Love y'all. Hope that doesn't take very long, because I want to get back out here so bad. I want to be out here tonight, you know. Hey, I got plenty of fuel. Plenty of want to. But I gotta have warm. And I can't, so I'm out. Take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.